First of all, we think that the main reason why we were blowing up a lot of stock turbos is because we didn't have a blow-off valve on the car. So, that moving forward,
drinking dope, turn me to a superhero.
but I'm doing this just so that
hit that pill, turn me to a superhero.
So I've got
Roll my 90, turn me to a superhero.
this is a full kit from Spectrum, and then this is the OEM.
I'm on that dope again, I'm on that
So
flow
this is
again,
a
switch up the
turbo
flow
that is
again.
pretty much OEM profile
Fly down the
size,
parachute,
but
gripping
it's
that
got
pole
full
again, I'm on that
wheel
ball again.
This is a proper ball bearing
Came in the cup, gotta get
a
paid,
stock size
king in the
outlet.
streets. Young nigga made, spraying on the crowd, take to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my bitch.